Madness. Mental hospital for mga katropa. So, wala pa tayong ganong background dito. So, try natin. Start. Creepy. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay. Big house. Nice. I'll be waiting for you. Oh, mail. There's a mail. Open the mail. Incoming message. Dear Mark, it took me a long time to decide to write to you, but something has to be done. Oh. Take a camera. Okay. The battery. Leave the apartment. Okay. Can select the best graphics for. Okay. Okay. Takbo. Creepy. Mental hospital. Moment. New entry 7 added to the okay. So may uwak. Sesame. So guys, medyo creepy nga yung area, malagubat. So kaya siya tinawag na mental hospital. Kasi talagang creepy siya. Creepy yung dating, and para siyang nasa horror movies. Looks like ang laki ng bahay na to. Help. A street showing, I'll take it for his word. Okay, go inside. Okay, go inside. Looks like no one's here. So, I bet. Para siyang horror hospital yung isa. Yung ganun yung parang yung dating niya. Para siyang horror hospital. Okay, so creepy nga. So, Jenjeline in the house. Naman mga trop. My God. Kaya mga tropa yung ganitong moment. Run. So, takbo. Kailangan ko tumakbo. Better. So, this is the guy. So, ako yan. Sorry. Takbo. Bilis. Some glittering. What's this? Dead or what? New entry 7 to the journal. Hindi ko talaga makita yung details kung ano to. Okay, so enjoy it mga katropa. Hindi ko talaga mag-gets masyado. Nakaligaw yung area. May aso siya. Takot pa naman ako sa aso. May takot ako sa aso. Hello? So, kada bukas ng pinto, meron tayong bagong, yeah, parang level by level. Okay. Okay. I'm surprised. Okay. It seems that the temperature still works, but this works. This, okay. Oh. Go, 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 go. Oh, no. Ganun siya ka-violente. So, kaya pa tinawag na Alice Madness to. So, need natin yung camera mga katropa para makita natin si Alice. Alright. There's so many candles. KA152. So, I think may paggagamitan tayo nito. I-152. Quietly. So, kailangan tahimik. St. Peter's Hospital. At least a dozen commandos and a medical staff. Okay. Stranger. Seems that the body in the furniture there belongs to the stranger who knew. It's very strange. I've seen this is true. Okay. Yan, nakaka-stress to May nambabato talaga. Okay. Ah, 4152. Kala ko E. So, 4152. It's 4 1 5 and 2. Alright, so open sesame tayo. So, hindi ko alam kung anak ba ito ni Alice. Grabe. Boo. Oh my. Haba naman. If I got the right to experience the children in this orphanage. Ang successful test subject was a girl named Alice. With superb human abilities, she could... Oh. Sige, sige. So, entry tayo ulit. Medyo nasasolve ko na ng konti yung puzzle, no? Okay. Sa ilalim tayo ng ayan, parang basabasang area. Oh. Takbo. Sobrang dark. So, dahan-dahan tayo. May mga monster. So, keep as much distance as possible. Okay. So, hindi tayo pwedeng malapit sa kanila. I'm going to want to die. Ah. So, pangit. Dahan-dahan lang tayo mga katropa. Dahan-dahan lang. Oh my God. This place so dark. Battery runs out. Patay. My battery runs out. Takbo. Oh, yun. Okay. Grabe. Dami namang bantay. I feel like someone is staring at me the whole time. So, medyo creepy nga siya. New notes have been added to the journal. Okay. Oh, dahan-dahan lang tayo. Sobrang dilim mga katropa. Sobrang dilim na. Oh. Okay, sweet baby, sweet. No, 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 no. Stay. Stay. Okay, stay. Stay. Oh, no, no, no. Don't do that. Stay. You go around. No, follow. No, you're following me. Still following me. Don't go left. Okay. So at the right. OMG. Oh, this little pet is following me. So kasama niya lang po si Alice eh. That monkey. Monkey donkey. Dead. Oh my god. So, ayun mga katropa. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung ating game for tonight. Mental Hospital 4. Sa mga bago lang sa channel ko, just click subscribe and like and hit the notification para ma-update ka naman sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ng Jenjolin 3S channel. So, good night and sana hindi kayo mahirapan matulog.